One of the most powerful plants to have in your home or in your workplace is right here before you. The name of this plant is rosemary. While it is often grown as a fragrant culinary herb in gardens and kitchens, it also holds a legendary place in traditional herbal medicine due to its remarkable medicinal properties. It has been used in various cultures for centuries for a range of health benefits, particularly for cognitive function, hair health, and immune support. One of the most well-known benefits of rosemary it is its ability to boost memory and focus. Rosemary is particularly effective at increasing blood flow to the brain, which helps improve concentration and mental clarity. The mere scent of this plant essential oils can support neurological health. Its ability to sharpen the mind also makes it beneficial for improving productivity during long hours and reducing feeling of mental fatigue or brain fog. The leaves also contain powerful antioxidants and anti-inflammatory compounds that help to protect the body from oxidative stress. It is believed that these plants present in the home or workplace can clear the air of negativity and enhance feelings of alertness and energy. Its invigorating aroma contributes to a more vibrant, balanced environment, making it easier to stay motivated and present. For physical health, rosemary is fantastic for circulation and scalp health. You can create a simple tonic by steeping the leaves in hot water to create a rosemary tea or a hair rinse that promotes hair growth and reduces irritation. The anti-inflammatory properties of this plant can help soothe sore muscles and support a healthy immune system. Finally, if you feel sluggish or your environment feels stagnant, then you can actually place a rosemary plant in your home or in your workplace. If you enjoyed this video and want to learn more benefits of different herbs and plants, please make sure to subscribe. See you in the next one.